Okay, folks, Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. What we have here is a 1971 Plymouth Fury Gran Coupe. That's a restoration. It's not quite yet finished. It was a vinyl top car. He took the vinyl top off and he painted it, filled in all the plug welded all the holes in. Yeah, what color is this, Dennis?
Tawny gold metallic, code Y9.
Okay, all right. That is that original color.
Yes, sir.
Okay, original color, folks. Been repainted. Like I said, the restoration's not finished on this car, and this car is for sale for $9,000. Is that what you said? $9,000, folks.
Got all the door panels.
Check out these interior panels. Look at that. Look at that, folks. Ain't that something? That is nice detailing on that. Let's go like the seats right here too. Yeah. I always love these dashes on these C-bodies. That's really nice the way they laid those out. And your dash wasn't cut out for a radio. That's good.
No.
That's so rare nowadays to find that. Now what we got here, folks, is a 362 barrel. It is the original engine. Runs like a top. And there's the hideaway headlights. Do they work? Oh yeah, we're gonna get a demonstration here, folks. Look at there. You gotta love that. That is cool. See how they fold up into the top here, folks? That is something else. Look how cool this engine is running. This is smooth. Now he had a little boo-boo with the paint right over here, so he's redoing this part. No big deal. You know, I'm a paint touch-up guy, so that's no big deal. Got a set of beautiful Kragers on it. We'll open this door right here. Nice dash pad on this car. That's $800 right there. Nice interior upholstery. This is a good car for somebody to finish up. In the C-body, this is a beautiful, beautiful body style too. 71 Fury Gran Coupe. You just don't see these anymore. Okay. There's the other door panel. You got the tail lights too, right?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay.
The trunk's full of parts.
He said the trunk's full of parts, folks. $9,000 and you can finish this beauty up. And she is solid. Listen how good this thing runs. This exhaust stuck back here. Here we are. Single exhaust. Man, that thing is sweet. Oh, Lord.
That's the first time it's been started, probably 2 months.
First time it's been started in 2 months, folks. Purrs like a kitten. Got a aftermarket aluminum radiator. Power disc brakes on the front. I'm telling you, that thing is just smooth. All right, folks, 71 Plymouth Fury Gran Coupe for sale. $9,000. Car is located just outside of Richmond, Virginia. Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. Contact me and I'll pass this guy's information on to you. If you're interested in this car, you want to come look at it, click that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm showing you new cars and cool cars all the time, folks. And share this video. Let's let folks see this car is available. You don't see these C-bodies this kind of shape much anymore. One thing I always liked about these, they had a keyhole on the passenger side. That is neat.
I think the Fury and the Barracuda was
Yeah, right, that's right. Only they did like 1 or 2 years, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right, folks, so there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. We're gonna move on to the next car. We'll do a little video edit here. He wanted to show us the parts in the trunk. There's the tail lights. There's your armrest pads, your armrest bases, your bezels for your tail lights. There's your cat whiskers.
Yep.
Chrome around the base of the windshield. Lots of cool stuff in there, folks. There's an extra 1/4 pound extension right here.
Yeah.
All righty, cool. Shocks.
These tire shocks. This is the trim that goes around the control arms.
Oh, the splash
Wheel
shield.
wells,
Yeah, okay. Oh, this is the piece under the hood.
Yes. And that's the trunk mat.
And the trunk mat, yep. Look how solid that trunk floor is, folks. Looks pretty good from what I can see.
It's pretty dry. Yeah.
All right, this seal looks good too. That looks like it's been replaced.
That's new, yeah.
Oh yeah, I can see the yellow
Blue
yellow
in there.
3M in it, yep.
Putting a lot in there.
Okay, folks, we'll see a little edit there. I want to show you that. Oh, let's look at the bottom of the trunk while we're right here. You see that's in good shape.
I'm not sure if I sprayed that or not.
It looks like he did. It looks like it's been sprayed.
Okay.
And there's a new, it's like somebody's put a new decal on it. All right,